Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two heavyweight vacuum cleaner brands. In the blue corner, we have the Canister HVR200, known for its better build quality, ease of maintenance, and exceptional performance on bare floors. In the red corner, we have the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Animal, which has more attachments and versatility for comprehensive home use. So in this video, we'll compare these two titans on suction power, multi-surface cleaning efficiency, and ease of use and maintenance to find which one is worth your money. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Cleaning efficiency. Henry boasts a powerful suction capacity with an airflow rate of 120 cubic feet per minute CFM. It can lift debris up to 100 inches high with its suction power. On the other hand, the Dyson has an airflow rate of 215 air watts. Henry is compact and efficient, handling small and large debris well, even when its dirt bag fills up. It's great for bare floors with a long power cord for less outlet swapping. It's also good for pet owners, easily handling pet hair on carpets but struggling on bare floors. It has a strong two-stage filtration system but lacks pet-specific tools. For high-pile carpets, Henry slightly excels Dyson, thanks to its total range of 46.42 feet compared to Dyson's 30.46 feet. The Dyson model struggles with large debris and has a limited cord range. The Dyson Cinetic Big Ball is great for cleaning pet hair on all surfaces with easy-to-switch brushes. However, removing tangled hair from the brush roll needs to be done manually. It excels on bare floors, picking up fine debris efficiently, and is easy to maintain with no recurring costs. Despite being heavy, it has a handle for easier stair use and includes a tangle-free turbine tool for carpeted stairs, but lacks a pet grooming brush and struggles with large debris. Both vacuums have their pros and cons. Henry wins for suction, and Dyson wins for its versatility, so there's a tie. Round 2. Ease of use. Henry weighs 183 pounds in hand, while the Dyson weighs 2.16 pounds in hand. Henry is known for its durable construction and simple design, making it easy to use and maintain. It's also lightweight, making it easier to carry around. The Dyson, while featuring a more complex design with numerous attachments, is heavier and can be difficult to maneuver. It has a decent cord length for room cleaning, but a shorter hose limits maneuverability. However, it has a handle for easier stair use, plus a less bulky design to make it comfortable on stairs. Overall, the Henry is simpler to use, though the Dyson offers a wider range of tools. So the winner for this round is Henry. Round 3. Maintenance. Henry is decent for storage. Its simplistic design makes it easy to clean and maintain, with fewer parts that can break down. It offers good storage options with a removable hose and convenient automatic cord retraction. However, it lacks a fill status indicator for its large dirt bags. Its non-collapsible wand takes up more vertical space. Its cord needs manual winding. Its dirt compartment holds 0.26 gallons of debris, slightly smaller than others, but still decent. It has a longer range than the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball, with a longer hose for reaching tight spots. The Henry incurs low recurring costs as you need to replace the dirt bag when full. Replacement bags are available in a 10-pack. On the other hand, the Dyson has no recurring costs since it's bagless and has no replaceable filters. You can simply remove the brush roll from the vac for easy cleaning. Use a coin to unlock the mechanism holding it in place. Apart from removing the tangled hair from the brush roll, cleaning the vacuum is not a pain. A good rub with a dry cloth does fine. So round 3 is a tie between the two vacs. Round 4. Customer support and warranty. To qualify for the 5-year motor warranty, the Canister HVR200 Henry must be used with a Canister HEPA Flow vacuum bag. If used bagless or with another manufacturer's bag, the warranty is 2 years. In comparison, the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball has a 5-year warranty. The switches and electrical components come with a 2-year warranty. Also, Dyson's customer support is frequently commended for its professionalism, except for issues that require refunds and returns. They can also improve for a quick and smooth warranty approval process. As far as Henry is concerned, many users praise the complete resolution of issues and appreciate the ease of obtaining replacement parts and bags. But all this is not electric fast. there are significant delays in response times. So we can call it a tie for this round. Overall winner. After all the rounds, we declare a tie between the two, so see your cleaning preferences. Henry excels in suction power, ease of use, and maintenance, with low recurring costs. Its dirt compartment can hold much more debris, it has a larger range, and it performs excellently on bare floors. The Dyson offers versatility, works well on high-pile carpet and pet hair, has more attachments, and a better warranty, making it a comprehensive choice for most households. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and share. Happy cleaning!